we are going to be removing and replacing the front brake pads and rotors on this 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna start by removing this retainer clip right here. This holds the brake line. So I remove it because when I remove the caliper, I want to have a little bit more slack. So what I do is I grab a flat and then I just hit it on the side. So it pops up. There we go. Okay. There's a little bit more slack right there. Okay, so next we're gonna remove these holders right here. So if you want to take a picture, you can take a picture so you remember exactly how they go. So we're gonna start by taking this one out first. There we go. Put to the side, and then we're gonna go ahead and take these ones out. There we go. I'm gonna twist this one a little bit. There we go. Put on the side. I'm gonna start taking out these. And once you take that one out, you can remove the retainer. Put it on the side. Same with this one. This one pops up. Then what I like to do is I like to grab a flathead and then push the pistons just a little bit, so it could be easier to take out the pads. Both sides. There we go. You see? So we're gonna go ahead and remove these. Remove this one. Okay. Then after, we're gonna grab the new brake pads and we're gonna add this stop sealer. And then we're gonna add like 3 layers. So we're gonna add 1 layer, let it dry, and keep adding it until we do it 3 times.
Right.
Okay, now with the 17, so I'm gonna use this swivel right here. We're gonna remove the caliper. So there's 2 bolts in the back. Slow it down. Make sure you hold the power. Okay, so you remove it. Make sure with the hanger, you want to hang it. Okay, so next we're going to remove the rotor. So since we're going to replace the rotor, we can hit it with the hammer in the back or keep hitting it around the corners in order to remove it. Or you could get a 12mm bolt, and then there's these little holes where you can screw onto them and the rotor should come out like that. Okay, now with the brush, we're going to go ahead and clean the hub. Okay, so before we install our new rotor, I like to measure them side by side, make sure they're the right ones, right size. So that's good. And that's good. Okay. Alright. So after we clean the hub, we're gonna go ahead and install the rotor. So what I like to do is I like to grab one of the lug nuts and install it so it can hold into place. Hit a little bit. There you go. Okay, so with this tool, I'm gonna go ahead and push back the pistons. So this tool is from Lynx. And just ratchets, pushes all 4 pistons at the same time. Okay, let's stop right there. Ratchet backwards, then it should come up. Okay, after we're gonna hit it with the wire brush on the corners, on all 4 corners. So this side, try to get all this dust as much as possible. So after we clean all these 4 corners, you're gonna go ahead and install the caliper. Take it out of the bracket. On this side. Okay, so we're gonna install the caliper. It's a little bit hard because this hard line is hard. It's not always hard. There we go. Okay, so after I turn the bolt a couple turns, I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with the gun. Okay, we're gonna torque these to 91 foot-pounds. Okay, so we're gonna torque these to 91 foot-pounds. Top one as well. There we go.
Okay.
So we're gonna go ahead and install the brake pads. So what I like to do is I like to add a very little grease on the top and the bottom. And install the other one. Same thing. A very little grease. Just jiggle them. Okay. So next we're gonna put the pins. So what I like to do is I like to install the pins first, just to align the brake pads. Take them out. bottom one too. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I like to install them just to kind of set the brake pads, and then obviously I remove them because we need to install the. So the top one, you can install it right away. The bottom has a retainer clips. So just install this between, like so. Just a little bit. Did they go like that? Okay, so you want to install the retainer clips like so. But you want to leave that for right now. Then we install these back ones to make sure it doesn't fall out. There we go. Turn this onto the hose. There we go. Make sure it's good. Okay, after that you want to put these in the little holes right here. So I'm going to use this to push it down a little bit to secure into the hole. Same with this one. Push it down a little bit, make sure it goes in the hole. Can't see. There we go. So there we go. Make sure this is out. Repainting the brake pads like that. Okay, there you go. Okay, after we're gonna go and install the retainer clip on this one. Pull out, make sure it's in its place. Okay, so we want to install it. Make sure it goes into the little groove. Oh, it's going back up. There we go.
Okay.
Okay, so after you just want to clean the rotor. Move the lug nut. Remove the lug nut. And then that's it. Just put the tire. Make sure you push on the brakes to compress the caliper. That's it.